This one.
Today we're leaving Crystal Beach, where we've been parked for the past week on the beach in front of the ocean. It's been amazing. But first, we gotta leave the beach better than we found it. We're headed up towards Houston. The plan is to take the ferry. Fingers crossed that they will let us to go, because that will alleviate an hour and a half of travel time. Oh, but first we have to fill the water tank. And thanks to some friends we made on the beach yesterday, they're gonna let us fill up our water tanks for free. They're the best.
What you doing, Lois?
They're so nice.
Oh, that just goes straight to that hose. I got a filter on that end, internal filter on this side. What's up, man?
How you doing?
Doing just fine, sir. How are you?
We got inside.
It's our house, just an RV.
Oh, it is a house?
Yes, sir.
Wow. You don't know the dimensions, do you?
We're 8 foot wide.
Okay, good.
This-
Good. You'll fit. Alright. What's in the little trailer? Just household stuff?
Here's tools.
Okay. Straight ahead, lane 4.
Lane 4.
Have a good one.
Thanks, sir.
Nice. High fives.
High five.
Change of plans. We are headed to San Antonio instead of Houston, because we just got to talking to some people and time got away from us. So not going to make it to the event that we were supposed to go to in Houston. So we're just going to bypass that, go to San Antonio, and head up towards White Sand National Park.
Temperature is it's higher than it's ever been. It's still in the okay range, but I want to know if maybe I've got a coolant leak somewhere. You know, it's better to take care of it now.
Okay, good luck. Well, that was rude.
Alright, well, let's go ahead and shut it off.
Just, okay.
Shut it off.
Well, I get nervous. There's always like an algorithm.
No.
Okay, you see?
No, you had it right. No.
Oh, no.
Yeah. It's just like your car, babe. If you turn it one click too back, the radio comes back on.
This is not like my car. Don't even try it. Okay, Trevor just put some coolant in the engine. He checked for a leak, didn't see one, so we're just gonna kind of wait a few minutes, wait for it to cool down, and then fingers crossed. We're just gonna keep going. Okay, I don't know why that this is a Nomad staple, but if you're a Nomad, you gotta stop at Bucky's. So we're gonna check it out. It's like the Cracker Barrel of gas stations. I admit it. The Bucky's sandwich is really good.
That's really good. It's like slightly above Cracker Barrel good.
But okay, Texas is a very long state. It's also a very windy state. It's trying to be cute. That's what you get. Anywho, we're trying to get out of this state, but it feels like everything that can stop us is stopping us. We're still in San Antonio waiting for Louie's prescription to come through a pharmacy because Bulldog, allergic to everything. And now our internet is down.
Okay.
And we're gonna check the box for all LTE bands.
Alright, save.
And we have to have internet because we work remotely. And gas prices are redonkulous. So we're stuck, we're trapped. We're just kind of sitting ducks in a Walmart parking lot. glamorous part of the nomad lifestyle.
Twice a day is probably like around every 12 hours.
Okay.
Just make sure you wash your hands before and after you use it, and you're good to go.
Thank you so much. Basically wasted an entire day, an entire travel day waiting for Lewis's stuff to come in. We might as well do some laundry while we're here.
There's no need to say the word basically. It's just gone.
We lost a whole day of traveling.
Physically, figuratively,
But you are
emotionally.
worth it. Checking pockets.
Happy with everything?
And now we wait. I want some.
It's all bananas. You want pineapple?
No, I don't want any bananas. Oh, pineapple. Okay, finally done with laundry, done with all of our errands. Louis got his meds. We're headed to White Sands National Park finally. Let's go.